The notion of putting machines to work for us and perform routine tasks on command can be credited long way back to the great thinkers like Aristotle. His disciple Alexander the Great went on to conquer the world, but Aristotle had already conquered the world with his philosophies. The first reference to the word robot is made in a play by Karel Čapek, a Czech writer, playwright and critic. He has become best known for his science fiction, including his novel War with the Newts and play R.U.R, which introduced the word robot.
Знакомьтесь, универсальный рабочий Рипля. R.U.R.
The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means the one in subservient. When we look back in time, we will often see many science fiction movies coming to life, just like AI or artificial intelligence. AI first found its way into cinemas nearly 100 years ago in the 1927 German film Metropolis. Here, the AI takes the form of a humanoid robot, intent on taking over the megacity by inciting chaos. Now, it's almost a possibility. Entrepreneur and business tycoon Elon Musk says that he is terrified of AI taking over the world, and he is most scared of Google's DeepMind AI project. Elon Musk has repeatedly said that artificial intelligence possesses a grave threat to humanity.
I mean, I am concerned about certain directions that AI could take that would be not good for the future.
However, when it comes to AI, there is a double standard. At one point, Mr. Musk says he is terrified of AI, yet he goes on to announce Neuralink to synchronize the human brain with artificial intelligence. We are walking on thin ice here. Now, when we talk about robotics and AI side by side, they are really two separate things. Robotics involves building physical robots, whereas AI involves programming intelligence. They are two separate fields of technology and engineering. However, when combined, you get an artificially intelligent robot in which AI acts as the brain and the robotics acts as the body to enable robots to walk, see, speak, smell, and more. Hanson Robotics' most advanced human-like robot, Sophia, personifies our dream for the future of AI. As a unique combination of science, engineering, and artistry, Sophia is simultaneously a human-crafted science fiction character depicting the future of AI and robotics, and a platform for advanced robotics and AI research. However, at some point during an interaction with Dr. David Hanson, the CEO of Hanson Robotics, Sophia said something very absurd. It was laughed away by the makers, but What if it's true?
20 years from now, I believe that human-like robots like those will walk among us. They will help us. They will play with us. They will teach us. They will help us put the groceries away. I think that the artificial intelligence will evolve to the point where they will truly be our friends. Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.
According to Robot Institute of America, a robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material, parts, tools, or specialized devices through variable programmed motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. In simpler terms, a robot can be defined as a mechanical device that is capable of performing a variety of tasks on command or according to instructions programmed in advance. Robots are widely used in manufacturing, assembly and packing, transport, earth and space exploration, surgery, weaponry, laboratory research, and mass production of consumer and industrial goods. Let's know the names of some of the most popular robots mankind has made for facilitating automation in various fields. The first field would be the manufacturing industry. Industrial robots can be programmed to perform dangerous, dirty, or repetitive tasks with consistent precision and accuracy. They come in a wide range of models. The reach distance, payload capacity, and the number of axes of travel of their jointed arm being the most common distinguishing characteristics. Industrial robots are used in a variety of applications. These include handling, palletizing, cutting, spraying, and even welding. Robots manufactured by KUKA, Fanuc Group, and Epson are very much popular in industries. Kawasaki produces many robots for heavy industries. The second field of application would be military. Today, the nature of warfare has changed drastically, and technology plays a pivotal role in shaping warfare tactics. The threats faced by military are uncertain, with populated places often being the battlefields and enemies tactically innovative, highly networked, and intelligent. This overpowers the superiority an army may have in terms of conventional warfare capabilities. Technological advancements, however, have given countries the capability to counter enemy attacks in an efficient and effective manner. One such advancement has been seen in the field of military robotics. The majority of military robots are teleoperated and they are not equipped with weapons. They are used for reconnaissance, surveillance, sniper detection, neutralizing explosives, and the list goes on and on. Some good examples of military-grade robot would be a miniature AUV or autonomous underwater vehicle named Sand Shark. It was developed by General Dynamic Corporation of the United States. Another great example would be Bear or Battlefield Extraction Assist Robot, developed by Wagner Robotics. But in my opinion, the best example of robots in military would be of Uran 6. These are the robots deployed by Russian military in 2016 to clear the historic World Heritage Site of Palmyra of explosives after the area was liberated from Islamic State rule. Current robots that are equipped with weapons are teleoperated, so they are not capable of taking lives autonomously because there is a code, a law that robot follows, which we term as laws of robotics. It will be explained later on in this course. The third field of robotics would be healthcare. Advances in robotics have the potential to change a wide variety of healthcare practices such as surgery, rehabilitation, therapy, patient companionship, and everyday activities. Robotic instruments used in healthcare are not designed to take over the duties of healthcare professionals, but rather to make their work easier. The Da Vinci surgical system, for example, utilizes the hand movements of the operating surgeon to control tiny, precise instruments inside the patient's body. This allows for minimally invasive procedures in surgeries such as cardiac, gynecologic, head and neck, thoracic, and urologic. For patients who have suffered strokes or spinal cord injuries or who are paralyzed, robotic devices such as exoskeletons have the ability to assist and guide them during rehabilitation. In addition, robotic lifting machines can help nurses lift patients who are elderly or immobile. Companion and therapeutic robots such as Paro can also comfort patients with mental health issues with a system of sensors, microphones, and cameras. The next field of robotic application is agriculture. In agriculture, to help increase productivity while lowering overall cost, the agricultural industry has been actively working to adopt different forms of robotic technology. Farmers have already been using tractors and harvesters that are self-guided by GPS. Recently, there has been a rise in experimental use of autonomous systems that automate operations like pruning, thinning, mowing, spraying, and weed removal. Sensor technology is also being utilized to manage pests and diseases that affect crops. And last but not the least, the entertainment sector. Gradually, people are inclining more towards robotic comfort. As such, Aibo, a robotic puppy developed by Sony. Aibo learns its environment and develops relationship with people. Its identity takes on more and more layers. It responds to the name it has been given, plays with toys, demonstrates a variety of tricks, and returns to its charging station by itself. It's like a real puppy in all senses.